How to get Temu free gift. To get Temu free gift, first of all, you have to open any browser you have on your device. Then, on the searching bar, search for Temu. Then, go to the official website of Temu and then you will see this page. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you check that, there is one link on the description. You have to simply copy that and paste it over in your browser. When you paste that link on the browser, then there you will see free gift available already. As you can see, I'm getting this 50 packet disposable sour air catcher on free. On every new step, you'll get new item. To get this, you have to simply scan this QR code from your Temu application on your mobile device. Once you do that, you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily get Temu free gift. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.